Hey there, Crunch Fed Clean friends. It was a gorgeous day in March and I had a lot of time to kill. So I went down to the Delaware Water Gap and I did a quick little hike around Mount Tammany and picked up some trash along the way. So here it is. This is my video. If you don't know about Mount Tammany in New Jersey and Mount Mincy in Pennsylvania, these are perfect little hidden gems. First off, whenever I do any kind of hike, I always have to have my plant-based, all-natural, handmade tick and mosquito repellent spray. And then I use my seasonal allergy roller because 'tis the season of allergies. And then I'm on my way. But I always bring water. I always let somebody know where I'm going. I have a little medical kit. Amenities. It's always good to have things with you on a hike. You never know how long you may be out there for. You never know if you get injured. You never know what you're going to need. You are out in the elements. Always make sure your phone is fully charged. Bring a portable charger if you need to. Hike with a friend if you can. Hike during the day. Hike during good weather. I like to wear pants because I don't want any creepy crawlies crawling on me if I can avoid it. So here are some hiking tips. Check out my video. Hope you enjoy it. I'll be giving you a little information about the Delaware River and the mountains and beautiful Pennsylvania and New Jersey. So please like, subscribe, comment, love, follow, share. I would really appreciate it. Make sure your notifications is turned on so when I post some more videos on my YouTube channel, you could see them. And check out my Facebook group, Pocono Family Hikers. It's all about outdoor events and nature events and hiking around the Pocono Mountains. And my Green Clean group, all about eco-cleaning, Cruncy Cleaning by Kathy, and my plant-based, all-natural sprays and rollers, Plant to Palm Creations. Check out my video. Thank you. Hope you like it. It was a gorgeous day. Go out and enjoy nature. And always, if you hike it in, hike it back out. Stop littering, because I picked up trash. I picked up a lot of trash just for like a quick little hike. Stop littering. Thank you. I'm here at the Delaware River. That mountain behind me is Mount Mincy in Pennsylvania. That mountain behind me is Mount Tammany in New Jersey. This is the Delaware River, separating the two states. And it cuts right through these two mountains. So the Delaware River leads down through in between Pennsylvania and New Jersey and eventually dumps out into the Atlantic Ocean. You can actually see right there Route 80 alongside Mount Tammany, which is in New Jersey. Right there. You may not think, but it has a really strong current. So sometimes you'll see kayakers and canoers coming down the river, but you really need to have a life jacket on if you're going to be in the water because it has a very, very strong current. If you don't have a life jacket, you can easily be swept away. It gets very deep in some areas and has a very strong undercurrent. So millions of years ago, Mount Tammany and Mount Mincy were connected because when you see them off in the distance, you can see they're pretty much even, level. They were all one at one point, millions of years ago. And this was all underwater. And throughout time, as the water receded, it cut through and it formed the Delaware River. When you actually drive on Route 80 right next to New Jersey, or right next to Mount Tammany, you can actually see, not from here, it's kind of far, but When you drive by, you can see the striations on the rocks where the water has receded throughout millions of years as it goes down. And now we have the Delaware River. So this is the river. That's Mount Mincy in Pennsylvania, Mount Tammany in New Jersey. Why do people litter? So if you're going on a hike, I would recommend bring a pair of gloves and a bag so you can collect trash. Look at this. This is just in a few minutes of walking. Stop littering. This is all of our earth. And if you're on a hike, bring a bag, bring some gloves, pick up the trash, and then dump it out. Here we are in the Dunfield Creek parking lot, which is the parking lot for Mount Tammany, the entrance to Mount Tammany. I've got my bag here to collect any trash that I see. Got my gloves here. Got a nice amount of cars for a Thursday morning. This is the parking lot for Mount Tammany in New Jersey. The Appalachian Trail runs through here. And here is the White Blaze. The White Blaze is the marker for the Appalachian Trail that runs through the East Coast. So when you're on a hiking trail, you want to follow the blaze. That's called a blaze. If you're on the white one, that's the trail that you're on. If you see a different color one, that would mean it changes into a different trail. But as you can see, you're going to see the blazes on the trees as you're on your hike. So stay on the path that you're on. Don't venture off the path so you don't get lost. And enjoy being out on a hike. Appalachian Trail in New Jersey on Mount Tammany. It's called the Dunfield Creek Natural Area. Got my bag and my gloves here to pick up any trash I see along the way. Sometimes you'll find hiking sticks that people have left along the path in case anyone needs a hiking stick. So this is the trail, Appalachian Trail. There's the white blaze. So you keep following the blaze and you know that you're on the right trail. There's another one right there. Some trails have different colors. Some of them may be red or a bright blue or a bright yellow. They tend to be very bright colors so that people can see them. Obviously not green or brown. And then you see it's on the other side of that tree so that when you're going that way, you see the blaze that way. When you're going this way, you see the blaze this way. So as you're going this way, you saw the blaze on that side. But now, if you turn around and you're hiking back to your car, you're gonna see the blaze on that side. It's right there. It's kind of wearing down. But sometimes the trail authority people will come out and repaint the blaze on the tree so that people could still see them. Quite muddy along this trail, so I really won't be able to get too far. I don't want to slip and fall. See how muddy it is from all the rain and snow we've had. This is called Worthington State Forest Dunfield Creek. Dogs have to be kept on a leash, no swimming, and pick up after yourself. Hike it in, hike it back out. Yeah, I won't be able to get too far over here. Sure is pretty though. It'll be much nicer when it's a nice dry day, because I am not about to slip and fall. Where'd he go? Over there. Beautiful little hike. It's about 3.5 miles up to Sunfish Pond, and then maybe another mile or two up to the top of Mount Tammany. But I'm not doing that today because it is way too muddy. There goes the butterfly again. So Worthington State Forest, Dunfield Creek. At the base of Mount Tammany in New Jersey. And on the other side, where I was a little bit earlier, is, I'm gonna go up this way, is the Delaware River, which separates Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Got my tick and mosquito repellent spray on. Got my seasonal allergy roller on. Got my trash bag. Look at this trash I've already picked up. People are disgusting. If you hike it in, you hike it back out. That's the rules. It's the rules of nature.
that is Route 80 in New Jersey. And then when you keep going that way, you pay the Delaware River toll, then you enter into Pennsylvania.